Hey guys, I'm starting a series of videos, first of its kind, on Instagram where I will do Apex exercises. These exercises are very good if you're preparing for Salesforce developer interviews because increasingly more companies require you to do little code snippets. And every day we'll do 3 little exercises. I will give my explanations to them, and I hope you also follow along and improve your Apex coding skills. All right, let's get started. Let's work on some Apex exercises. My favorite Apex exercise, the equivalent to lead code in Apex, apexsandbox.io. So let's start with the Apex 101 exercise called Teenager. So the first one is, given the person's age, return true if the person is a teenager. All right, let's work on it. 1 second. All right. All right, let's work on this. So if the person is a teenager, return true. If age is greater than 13 or age and age is less than 19, I like to put brackets to make it read easier. True. Okay, let's see what happens. Did it pass? Okay, test failed. Test failed to comply. What am I missing? Return if age is greater than 13, age is less than 19, return true. Okay, return false. Yeah, if the person is not a teenager, we should return false. Okay, now let's run. So 2 tests passed, 5 tests passed, 2 failed. Let's see which one failed. Okay, I like to bring it up here. Let's check. Is a teenager. Okay, so it's greater than or equal to, less than or equal to, right? So let's fix our code and now run. What happened? Greater than. Okay, I think it should be right here. This. All right, we got exercise 1. Okay, any questions? I think it's pretty good exercise. Nice warm up. Let's go to the next one. We'll do 3 today. Okay, every day we'll work on 3. All right, implement a function called diff that calculates the absolute difference between 2 integers. Difference between 5 and 2 is 3. Difference between 2 and 5 is also 3. Okay. How would you solve this? Okay, one is, we can just say if A is greater than B, then return A minus B. Else if A is less than B, then return B minus A. Else return 0, right? All right, let's check. Boom. All right, so any questions here? I'd be happy to tackle your questions in the comments that you leave. There's probably an easier way to solve this. We probably can use a math function to check the absolute value of one number. Okay, let's actually do Apex math absolute value. Calculating absolute value. Math.abs. Okay, let's try this, okay? return absolute value math.apps a minus b. Let's check. Boom, that works. Okay, one more. Let's do this. Given integers a, b, and c, return true if a and b add up to c. If a plus b equals to c, return true, return false. All right, so if a plus b add up to c, then return true. Otherwise, return false. Okay, let's run this. Boom! All right. Any questions, guys? Let me know. I think so. These are pretty simple. I want to narrate for you, but I don't know how much more I can explain to you, right? But highly recommend you go to apexsandbox.io, log in using your DevOrg credentials, and you can start playing around. The nice thing is that it has hints. Okay, you can see hints here. All right, and the good thing is that there's a lot of practice, a lot of things you can practice. Right now we're on the simplest questions. So if they look super simple and you can do them easily, that's good. There are harder questions coming up for you.